Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I want to teach you guys how to produce a lip balm, or should I call it a pink lip balm, at home. So I'll teach you how to do this from scratch to finish. It's very easy, it's not hard. Just stay glued to this video and watch how I produced a lip balm at home. And I use basically organic ingredients. I didn't use any harsh chemical. These are basically organic ingredients that I used in making this lip balm. So watch and follow my recipe, my measurements, and learn how to produce your own lip balm at home. For my color, I didn't use a pink color. I used actually I made use of an orange color, but you can use any color of your choice. If you have pink, you can use pink color. Make sure it is oil soluble color you are using. Any color of your choice, but if you have pink, you can use a pink color since it's a pink lip balm. But if you don't have a pink color, you can use any other color of your choice, but make sure that that color is oil soluble. While I was mixing it, my mixture became very thick in the container. So I'm going to put it back on fire and melt it. If you encounter this kind of thing, just put it on fire, it's going to melt again. If you encounter this, don't be scared. What did I say? Just put it on fire, it's going to melt. So you can see I put it back on fire, it has melted, it's now oily again. So I'll start adding my color and the remaining ingredients that I have not added yet. So for the glutathione serum, if you don't have a glutathione serum, you can use a glutathione powder. So anyone you can find, because glutathione is what is actually the active ingredient in the pink lip balm production. It's what brightens the lip and make it look pink. So if you don't have a glutathione serum, you can use the glutathione powder. Once you go to purchase it and you don't have the serum, you can buy the powder. So after 30 minutes, our production has hardened up. This is how it looks like. So you just apply this balm on your lip every morning, or anytime your lips feel dry, you can apply it. Each time your lips feels dry, apply the lip balm. Then if you want it to make your lips pink, you have to be using a lip scrub to be scrubbing your lips in order to exfoliate your lips. It's going to speed up the process of the lips becoming pink. Don't forget what I said. If you want the process of your lips becoming pink, you have to use what? A lip scrub. So it's either you use a lip scrub and scrub your lips, or you use your toothbrush and gently scrub your lips. Do it gently so that you'll not injure yourself, because the lips is actually the most delicate or soft part of the body. So if you're using a toothbrush to scrub, do it gently, and you can scrub 3 times a week. So thank you for watching this video, and see you next time on our next video. Goodbye.